House burping is opening up doors and windows and allowing it cross breeze 10 minutes a day, like actually just let the air flow through your house. It's good for your environment. So it's good for dust and mold and your air quality. It's also good for your mind. It's really good psychologically to be experiencing the outdoor. We were not created to spend as much time indoors as we do. And I am not pointing the finger at anyone because I work in an office. I spend a lot of my time inside, and it can be always in climate control. You might turn a fan on if you're hot rather than open a window. Think about, like, how can I let this breeze through? How can I enjoy it? And the psychological benefit of fresh air can give you a little bit of a reset, can be good for your energy levels. It can be good for your mental clarity.